Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the Reval 2-pack of LED Corn light bulbs. We're going to open them up, show you what they look like, test them out, and of course let you know whether or not they're worth buying. So as we get these out of the box, they come individually wrapped. Two different boxes, and show you what they look like here. Very thin. And that's just kind of a support. So we'll just screw this in. Should fit any regular light bulb socket. So we'll test them out. So as you can see, this light bulb is great. I'll kind of give you the overhead view, what it looks like. It is more of a kind of bright white as opposed to a more of a yellowish look. So that kind of is just the the concept here. But overall, it does a really nice job. I mean, again, perspective-wise of lighting up the bedroom here, much brighter coming off of this. So if you're looking for something that's going to be nice and bright, and again, looks great, low, small compared to the other light bulb that I had in there. So really pretty awesome. So definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review helps, and thanks for watching.